Okay, got another electronics question for us here. This time seems to be 3 bulbs in parallel over a 230 volt supply. It says, state 2 reasons why it is good practice to have the lamps wired in parallel. Well, the first one, quite obvious. If they're all wired in series and one blew, you'd have a break in the circuit. So if one bulb blows, the others stay on, and as a result of this, it means that finding the blown bulb would be a lot easier. So this makes finding the blown bulb easier. Okay. It says calculate showing all workings and units the total resistance. Well, I've got a formula for working out total resistance, but remember it's in parallel, not in series. In series it would be R1 plus R2 plus R3, but it's not the case here. You have to use the formula 1 over R total is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So if we write that out as 1 over the first bulb, which the resistance of the bulbs, which is 100, plus 1 over 100 plus 1 over 60. That's the resistance values of the 3 bulbs. Okay. Calculator here, I probably don't need it for the first bit. 1 divided by 100 is equal to 0.01, and 1 divided by 60 is equal to 0.0167. Okay, but remember that's 1 over our total. Let's work all those out now. 0.01 plus 0.01 plus 0.0167 gives me an answer there of 0.0367. Now what I can do is I can swap these two over to get 1 over all of this equal to RT, because that's what we're trying to find out. So let's swap these two over and divide the answer of that into 1. So 1 divided by 0.0367 equals R total. 1 divided by 0.0367 equals 27.25, and don't forget the units, ohms. Last part of the question. Component recognition again. So state the full name and the component shown above. Variable resistor. Never underestimate the amount of marks available just for knowing the symbols for all the components. State the name of the device that is used to measure current. Well, don't put a multimeter, because it can measure current, but it can also measure resistance and voltage. So you need the specific device, and it's an ammeter. Remember, voltmeters measure volts and ammeters measure current. And that's it.